Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 1. In this lesson, we will look at the letter Ba. The letter Ba is part of a family of three letters sharing the same shape. All three letters have a curved shape similar to an English U but stretched wider. The letters have a different number of dots in different positions to distinguish between them. We pronounce the letter Ba by building up pressure between the lips and then releasing the air suddenly. The sound B in the letter Ba is similar to the sound of the letter B in English, like in the word bat. The B sound in bat and the B sound in Ba are very similar. The way we identify the letter Ba and distinguish it from the other letters in its family is by the single dot beneath it. Now let's listen how to pronounce the letter Ba. Ba, bi, bu, ba, bi, bu. So as we saw in the video, the lips are pressed together and then released to make the B sound. The sound of the short vowel fatha, which is above the Ba, is made by opening the mouth and making an A sound, Ba. The short vowel kasra, which is beneath the Ba, is made by also opening the mouth or making an I sound, Bi. Whilst the sound of the short vowel dhamma, which is also above the Ba but is a curly shape, is made by puckering the lips and making an U sound, Bu. The sound of the long vowels are made in the same way, but the sound is elongated and stretched. So with the alif, it makes the sound Ba. With the ya, it makes the sound Bi. And with the waw, it makes the sound Bu. In the beginning of a word, the letter Ba is written like this. The shape is similar to the full letter, however the second half of the letter has been cut off so it can join onto the next letter in the word, like in these words: Bait, Bint, Burj. The Ba is in the beginning of these three words and it's written in this way so that it can join onto the next letter in the word. In the middle of the word, the Ba appears like this, with a link on both sides, meaning it can connect to the letter before it and to the letter after it. Like in this word, Nabi. The Ba is connected to the Noon before it and the Ya after it, in the word Nabi. In the end of a word, the Ba can appear connected to the previous letter or by itself if it's after a semi-connected letter. Like in these words, Kalb. In the word Kalb, the Ba is connected to the Lam before it, therefore it has a link before it. Bab. In the word Bab, the Ba is after an alif, which is a semi-connected letter, and therefore it's written by itself without any links. Koob. In the word Koob, Ba is also after a semi-connected letter, in this case it's a waw, and therefore it appears by itself without any links. Here are some examples of the letter Ba with short vowels used in words. In the word Bait, the Ba has a fatha and makes the Ba sound in the word Bait, which means house. Bint. In the word Bint, the Ba has a kasra and makes the B sound, and Bint means girl. Burj. In the word Burj, the Ba has a dhamma and makes the Bu sound, which means building or tower. And here we have some examples of the letter Ba used with long vowels in words, like in the word Bab. The Ba is followed by an alif, which makes the Ba sound, and Bab means door. Bi'a. The Ba is followed by a Ya and makes the B sound, and Bi'a means environment. Booma. In the word Booma, the Ba is followed by a Waw and makes the Bu sound, and it means owl. So in summary, a Ba with a Fatha makes a Ba sound, a Ba with a Kasra makes a B sound, a Ba with a Dhamma makes a Bu sound, and a Ba by itself or with a Sukoon makes a B sound. A Ba with a long vowel Alif makes Ba, a Ba with a long vowel Ya makes B, and a ba with a long vowel, wow, makes boo. Bait, bint, and burj are examples of ba used in words with short vowels. Bab, bi'a, and booma are examples of ba used with long vowels in a word. And when written in the beginning of a word, it appears like this. In the middle, it appears with a link on both sides like this. And in the end, it appears with a link before it or by itself like this. So this is the letter ba.
Ba, bu, bi, ti, bu, ti, bi, bu, ba, ti, bi, bu, bi, bu, ba, ti, bi, ba, bi, bu, ba, bu, bi, bu, bi, bu, ba, bu, bu, ba, bi, bu, bu, bi, ba, bi'a, bi'a, بيت، 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 برج، بنت، بي، بو، بو، با، بي، بومة، بي، بو، بو، باب، بو، بي، با، بيئة، بيت، برج، بنت، بي، بو، بو، با، بي، بومة، بو، بي، بو، باب، بو، بي، بو، با، بنت نبي كلب باب